Thank you so much for watching and relaxing with me today. If you love videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. This video is for those who would like to just relax and watch. If you would like to paint along, go ahead and become a Createful Art member. You have access to all of my full tutorials when you do so, and you also have the reference photos to help you. You can also get the art lesson plan, which includes a template and an art lesson for those who are serious about becoming a better artist. Members get access to a full tutorial with the reference photo every week. So if you want to paint while you relax with me every week, go ahead and join us. We would love to have you become a member. It's a great opportunity to learn how to become a better artist. This month's paintings were inspired by South Africa. Next month, we're going to paint inspired by Morocco, so I can't wait to share with you those paintings. Make sure that you have hit that bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss out on next week's painting, and I'll see you in my next video.